Hello everyone, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how to remove number from block list in your device Vivo Y02s. So if you want to remove a number from the block list of your device Vivo Y02s, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this video and you will learn how to remove a number from block list of your device.